let us quickly start the session. So today is the topic of hope. So as usual, we are going to have the uh, two-way communication session. So make sure whatever queries you have, whatever questions you have, you mention in the chat box. And towards the end, I will try to reply your questions. All right. So today's topic is hope, right? So and I love is what I have personally practiced, and it has helped me in my life. Also, I keep on guiding my kids, my children, my students to practice a part of it, so that they can also keep their lives rejuvenated. So please do not click the picture of the slides, though it's not. So we have the love. Do we love ourselves? Do we love ourselves? Do we have certain positive qualities in us? Do we have certain talents in us? It could be anything, like you exercise every day, you clean your hands every day, you sanitize your hands every day, you are taking precaution at this point of COVID-19 pandemic. Yeah, that's a big achievement. Not everybody is doing, isn't it? So these are also the positive qualities. Are you sharing what you have within you with other people? Okay, so this is also a talent of yours. If you know how to play a musical instrument, if you are an engineer, if you're a good cook, if you love to clean your house, if you love to check on your relatives, that is also a very positive quality in you. So don't you think so? In tits and bits, we are made in the image of God. So today we are actually going to be the light worker, be the soul worker, be the love worker. Okay. So आज का टॉपिक होप क्यों है ये आपको टुवर्ड्स द एंड में समझ में आएगा. Today's topic is pranayama. Okay, like just 1.5 hour back, I had this session with kids. Okay, and it was only 2% what we are going to do today. This is a very advanced version of it. Now, before we go into pranayama, I have certain questions for you all. We have COVID-19 situation. We are stuck in a COVID-19 situation. Yes or no? And of course, each one of us are suffering globally. Yes. So don't you think so? ये जो COVID-19 का situation है, जो हमारी life में आया है, so people are continuously telling, अरे this is a curse year. This is a cursed year. Positive is the negative term of this year. Like, if tests are going to be positive, corona positive, so it is the negative term of this year. Okay. So don't you think so that instead of being so negative about this situation, instead of blaming this situation, there is something to learn in our life, because everything happens with us for something. So if the humanity is suffering it as a whole, that means there are certain lessons for each of us, you, me, everyone across the globe, to learn. इस situation में, if you see, हम लोगों को पता है कि cases बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. Cases बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, so out of precautions, I would really like to ask you कि आप क्या क्या precautions ले रहे हो अपने घर पे. It's very important before we move ahead in the session. What are the precautions you are taking at your home? Could be with your family members, could be with yourself, could be with your kids. Please mention what are the precautions you are taking with your family members. Are you washing your hands every day? Are you sanitizing? Are you making sure you keep the distance of कुछ कुछ दूरी का आप डिस्टेंस बना के रख रहे हो, या फिर आप बाहर का खाना ऑर्डर नहीं कर रहे हो, बाहर you are not going to have puchkas and all. At least that was the last sight I saw from my eyes. Okay. And you are doing some exercise, some yoga, cleaning, no, and sanitizing home properly. All types of Ayurvedic remedies, sanitizing, washing hands, cleaning surroundings, social distancing, not going out too much, almost 4 months not had outside food. Amazing. Okay. So there are two things which I'm going to share with you all today. Okay. and that is a tip for not this COVID-19 situation, but it will help you to increase your lifespan. It will help you to have that injection of in energy. Okay, so yes, today we are going to talk about pranayama. I am sure each one of us, like you have mentioned in the chat box, हम सब अपने भरसक best precaution इस कोविड-19 की सिचुएशन में ले रहे हैं. बट मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है, प्लीज बी ऑनेस्ट, क्या हम प्राणायामा रोज कर रहे हैं? ओके, सो वी हैव गॉट ऑनेस्ट कन्फेशन फ्रॉम स्मिता जी, हिमाली जी. ओके, व्हाट अबाउट रेस्ट? आर वी डूइंग प्राणायामा? आई एम डूइंग 5 times a week. So honest confession, 2 दिन छुट्टी है. Not doing, not every day. Okay, so seems majority of you are not doing. Okay, might be today's session will help you, really, like it has helped the kids, it might help you. So pranayama क्या होता है, पहले तो ये समझते हैं. Pranayama is the Sanskrit term. Let me switch off my, let me continue with this. What is pranayama? So pranayama is the Sanskrit term. Prana plus yama, दो टर्म से मिलके प्राणायामा बनता है. प्राणा वर्ड का मीन्स होता है लाइफ फोर्स, प्राणिक एनर्जी. ओके, अयामा वर्ड का मतलब होता है existence, the strength to practice, the thing to make sure that you continue every day until and unless you become the master of your breath, until and unless you can control your breath. That is what is the meaning of pranayama in the layman terms. So basically pranayama होता है जहाँ पे हम खुद कुछ exercises करते हैं where it involves pranic energy, where it involves life force, where it involves certain inhaling patterns and exhaling patterns, जिसके थ्रू हम अपनी बॉडी में जो लंग्स की कैपेसिटी है उसको इंक्रीज करते हैं. Now pranayama is something which is super ancient. This is not a new term and we are aware of the same. ये बहुत medieval time से, ancient time से people are practicing this and people are doing these pranayama exercises to clean their nadi system. Okay, we'll talk about it today. So yogis believe that the pranayama not only rejuvenates the body but it also extends the life. So ये life कैसे extend करता है वो आज हम लोग इस बारे में बात करेंगे थोड़ा सा. Then I'll share, might be some of us are already we inhale and we exhale. हम consciously सांस लेते हैं और सांस छोड़ते हैं, राइट? बट प्राणायाम में क्या करते हैं, पहले हम लोग सांस लेते हैं, फिर उसको होल्ड करते हैं, फिर एक्सहेल करते हैं और फिर उसको क्या करते हैं, होल्ड करते हैं. So if you see, there is a process of inhaling, hold, exhaling and hold. So it is like a square. Are we communicating? It's like a square. Inhaling, hold, exhaling, hold. That's how consciously we breathe. Now what happen is, this is our respiratory system. We are aware of our respiratory system. So we, in pranayama, we make sure we inhale through nose. We do not use our mouth, not at all. Pranayama में मुंह का इस्तेमाल नहीं होता है. Okay, so we inhale through nose, through our respiratory system. It goes to our lungs. Now, how does pranayama actually work? That is the question. Pranayama cleanses our throat. Okay, it cleanses our lungs because consciously we are inhaling the energy or the pranic energy or the life force from our surrounding. हमें पता है ऑक्सीजन रहता है हमारे सराउंडिंग में, yes, no, right? अब okay, we'll come to that a bit later on. तो हमारे सराउंडिंग में ऑक्सीजन रहता है, तो अगर हम उसको इनहेल करेंगे कॉन्शियसली, तो विद इंटेंशन हमारी जो है सांस लेने की क्षमता लंग्स की वो इंक्रीज होती है. नाउ आई डोंट नो वेदर यू आर अवेयर ऑफ दिस फैक्ट और नॉट. जैसे जैसे हम बूढ़े होते हैं, जैसे जैसे हमारी फिजिकल बॉडी की ग्रोथ होती है, ओके, जैसे जैसे हमारी एज बढ़ती है, हमारा सांस लेने का और छोड़ने का inhalation and exhalation process of the lungs become a bit weaker because the lower part of the lungs, in most of the cases, the lower part of the lung cannot respond properly because we are not 100% using our lungs to inhale and exhale. That is why वो धीरे धीरे एज में आते आते हमें बहुत सारी बीमारियां आने लगती हैं. Of course, there are other reasons also, emotional, mental, other reasons as well. Okay, because we are not using our organs consciously. Okay, so basically क्या होता है जब हम प्राणायामा में फ्रेश एनर्जी को इनहेल करते हैं तो वो रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम के थ्रू लंग्स में जाती है एंड लंग्स में जाके एयर सैक्स को लंग्स वॉल को इट पुशेस and consciously it expands our lung. So the more our lungs will consciously expand, it holds liters of air prana जो हम नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग में अभी नहीं कर रहे हैं. सो हम अपने लंग्स को ट्रेन करते हैं ज्यादा से ज्यादा सांस ले पाने की एबिलिटी. सो इस सिचुएशन में कोविड-19 में ऑनेस्टली of course everything, cleansing our hand, exercising, taking vitamin C, lemon, ginger, गिलोय, everything is fine, of course. But अंदर से सिस्टम स्ट्रॉन्ग होने की बहुत जरूरत है बिकॉज जब एक इंसान मर जाता है, जब एक इंसान ये दुनिया छोड़ के चला जाता है, व्हेन अ पर्सन डाइज, क्या होता है? हम बोलते हैं ना उसके प्राण छूट गए. वी से राइट, उसके प्राण छूट गए. सो द थिंग इज उसके प्राण छूट गए, उसके बॉडी से लाइफ फोर्स निकल गया. Through pranayama, we are consciously increasing our life force. We are increasing our energy body. जो हमें vitamins लेके या energy pills लेके feel होता है, वो हम लोग naturally कर सकते हैं अपनी body के साथ. उसकी ability बढ़ा सकते हैं. So जब आप अपने organs को clean रख रहे हो, उसको breathe करने को दे रहे हो properly, consciously, आपका लाइफ ऑटोमेटिकली इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, आपका इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम ऑटोमेटिकली इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. कैसे? बिकॉज इन आवर थ्रोट, sides of the throat, there are lymph nodules. So there is a lymphatic system. So lymphatic system is there in the entire body, right? So there are lymph nodules in the sides of the lungs. Sides of the neck. जब हम कॉन्शियसली ब्रीथ करते हैं, जब हम फ्रेश लाइफ प्राणा लेते हैं, लाइफ फोर्स को इनहेल करते हैं, तो वो क्या करता है, जो डर्टी डिजीज एनर्जी होता है, जो भी नेगेटिविटी यहाँ पे होता है, उसको एक्सपेल करता है. सो आवर इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम नेचुरली गेट्स क्लेंस्ड. जो भी नेगेटिविटी हम होल्ड करते हैं वो क्लीन हो जाता है. नाउ लेट मी शेयर सर्टेन इनसाइट्स अबाउट हठ योगा. हठ योगा में अगर आप देखोगे, सो योगा इज बेसिकली connecting your consciousness with the universal consciousness. Okay, so there are many types of yoga. That is not the topic for today. In the Hatha yoga especially, there are basically 8 types of pranayama which takes care of our body and mind. Okay, and there are basically different types of pranayama. तो 4 टाइप का प्राणायामा होता है, which I am also sharing from my notes. So 4 टाइप का प्राणायामा होता है. The first one is balancing pranayama. जहां पे हम क्या करते हैं, हम अपने एनर्जी बॉडी को, हम अपनी एनर्जी फील्ड को बैलेंस करते हैं. So that is balancing pranayama. Okay. Second is sensitizing pranayama. Can we please keep our videos on? Can we please keep our videos on? All right, thank you. So yeah, I was sharing that 4 टाइप का प्राणायामा होता है. The first one is बैलेंसिंग प्राणायामा, वेयर हमारे जो आसपास एक एनर्जी फील्ड होती है, जिसको हम ऊर्जा हिंदी में कहते हैं, वी कॉल इट ऑरा इन इंग्लिश, उसको हम बैलेंस करते हैं. ओके. Second is sensitizing pranayama, where we increases the sensitivity of our energy field. Third is cooling and awareness developing pranayama. So cooling and awareness developing pranayama is more like where you are aware. Aware as in जब आप अपनी आंख बंद करते हो, you are so calm, you are so composed that you can feel, you can become one with the nature. You can hear the sounds. Hear the sounds as in, you are aware. आसपास आपके क्या हो रहा है. वो छोटी छोटी आवाजें जो होती हैं वो भी आप easily सुन पाते हो. Fourth is resonance and laya pranayama. So आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है एक स्पेशल टाइप का प्राणायाम जिसको हम कहते हैं नाड़ी शुद्धि प्राणायाम. आई रिपीट, वी कॉल इट नाड़ी शुद्धि प्राणायाम. सो if you read Upanishad, in Upanishad it is mentioned that there are 7.2 million nadis in the body where energy flows. So basically, we know most of us who are from the energy school, कोई भी energy school से अगर आप हो तो आपको पता है कि आपके आसपास ऊर्जा होती है. You have energy around you, and if you have energy around you, so it has to flow through certain pipe, जैसे blood, right? So blood कैसे flow करता है body में? Through vessels flow करता है? Yes, no? वेसल्स के थ्रू फ्लो करता है, राइट? वैसे ही हमारी बॉडी में एनर्जी, जो ऊर्जा होती है, जो हम बहुत ज्यादा कभी एक्साइटेड हो जाते हैं, कभी हम लो हो जाते हैं, कभी हम आउट ऑफ एनर्जी हो जाते हैं, कभी हम रिचार्ज हो जाते हैं एनर्जी से, वो सब एनर्जी हमारे बॉडी में पाइप्स के थ्रू फ्लो करती है जिसको हम नाड़ीज बोलते हैं. ओके, आई डोंट नो वेदर यू हैव हर्ड अबाउट इट और नॉट. Have you heard about the term called नाड़ी विद्या? Anybody? होता था ना पहले के टाइम में, वो सिर्फ नाड़ी पल्सेस देख कितना स्वास्थ्य है पर्सन का, क्या हेल्थ है, is the person going to live long or not? So of course these are the ancient practices. So nadi shuddhi pranayama is a special type of pranayama where we where we balances. और शुद्धि मतलब हम अपनी नाड़ी की शुद्धि करते हैं. So nadis are the energy channels through which energy flows. Now just imagine if this pipe, okay, if this pipe through which energy is flowing, through which life force is flowing, अगर वहां पे एक बड़ा सा कुछ अटक जाए, something get stuck, do you think so energy life force will be able to flow? Do you think so? It will not flow naturally. So these actually these pebbles or these negativity are created by most of the time ourselves in the form of negative thoughts, negative emotions. अभी के टाइम में क्या है सबसे ज्यादा फियर? बाहर निकलेंगे कोविड हो जाएगा, बाहर निकलेंगे टच हो जाएगा, बाहर निकलेंगे कुछ तो हो ही जाएगा, आके जल्दी से पूरा बॉडी में सैनिटाइजर डाल दो, गर्म पानी पी लो एंड जस्ट गर्म पानी पीते रहो, पता नहीं उसने मेरे को छुआ था, ओ माय गॉड 14 days क्वारंटाइन. We do it, right? There is a lot of fear, and let's be honest, we all have, me, you, everyone. So प्राणायामा में जो नाड़ी शुद्धि टेक्निक है, that is what I'm going to share with you. इसमें हम क्या करते हैं, इसके थ्रू हमारी नाड़ीज में से वो जो नेगेटिविटी है, ओके, जो हमने खुद क्रिएट की है या बाहर के सराउंडिंग से आई है, उसको मेल्ट हो जाता है. इट मेल्ट्स ऑटोमेटिकली. तो अगर हम प्राणायाम करेंगे तो हमारी बॉडी का एनर्जी will flow on its own naturally. Okay, that is why pranayama is important. So I'm going to share with you how to do nadi shuddhi pranayama. तो नाड़ी शुद्धि प्राणायाम हम कुछ इस तरीके से करते हैं कि we inhale. Okay, so these are the two hands. बहुत लोगों ने देखा है ना, many people have seen, right? ऐसे होता है प्राणायाम. We have seen, right? ऐसे होता है प्राणायाम. So it's up to you. आपको ऐसे करना है या आपको ऐसे करना है, completely your discernment. It's up to you. I leave it on you. आपका मन, आप जैसे करना चाहो. But ठीक है, I do it in this way. It suits me. Okay. and I've also learned in this way, so I do it in this way. So basically क्या होता है इस प्राणायामा में, नाड़ी शुद्धि प्राणायामा में हम लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रिल से इनहेल करते हैं, ओके, एंड राइट नॉस्ट्रिल से एक्सहेल करते हैं. आई विल रिपीट. हम लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रिल से इनहेल करते हैं एट राइट नॉस्ट्रिल से एक्सहेल करते हैं, ओके, एंड उसके बाद वापस इसी से वापस राइट नॉस्ट्रिल से इनहेल करते हैं और फिर लेफ्ट से एक्सहेल करते हैं. आई जस्ट रीड माय नोट्स. सो इन नाड़ी शुद्धि प्राणायामा, inhalation is done slowly through the left nostril and exhalation through the right nostril. The next inhalation is done through the right nostril and exhalation is now done through the left nostril. This is one complete cycle. I repeat, this is one complete cycle. So those who have been practicing Nadi Shuddhi, you should show gratitude because we have already been doing it. Because we have been taught in a way, right? So we are already practicing one of the best type of Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Now we know the name, right? Now we know the name. So are we ready? Are we ready to practice this for 5 minutes? And then I'll share with you one technique. Acha. Before we go into practice, I would like to give you some rules of pranayama. Those who are the new ones, and as I've shared it with my kids' parents, so might be they are also there in the session, not sure. So yeah, कुछ rules होते हैं प्राणायामा के. प्राणायामा हमें बहुत ही क्लीन जगह पे करना चाहिए, कहीं पे भी नहीं कर लेना चाहिए. ऑफ कोर्स कैब्स में, उबर में, अपनी ही गाड़ी में बाहर ट्रैवल कर रहे हो नहीं कर लेना चाहिए बिकॉज देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ पोल्यूशन आउटसाइड. So we should do pranayama in clean places. Second is that you make sure when you are doing pranayama, your spine is straight, okay? Your spine is straight. It is not bent. It is straight, okay? That is the yogic posture. So yogic posture is keeping your spine straight, making yourself make sure that your nose is aligning your center of the body, okay? So the life force can easily flow through. Third is that you should breathe through nose. Of course, you should not use your mouth. And because we have nostrils, it filters out. So yeah. And if somebody feels tired or a lot of energy, lot of life force after pranayama, you should do a little bit of exercise. Okay, because there's like might be too much of life force has entered into your system, you're not able to control. That is why make sure you do a little bit of exercise. अच्छा, अगर initially आप start कर रहे हो प्राणायामा, make sure you are not forcing yourself. Like I've seen many people, initially me also, जब मेरे को नहीं आता था प्राणायामा, तो मैं जबरदस्ती सांस लेने का कोशिश कर रही थी, like, so this is a wrong process. Forcing yourself to breathe, no, a big no. That's a wrong process. Okay. Now, if you feel that, you know, before pranayama, you can also do Om chanting. We know your Om is the universal sound. Om is the universal vibration. You can practice Om chanting so that you are in your peace, you are in your calm, and then you start with your pranayama. Okay. And yeah, some more precautions that pranayama should be done with clean bowels after the morning toilet. Okay, so you just make sure that pranayama kar rahe ho once you have cleansed your lower abdomen area. Okay, and after that you go for the pranayama, or else there will be a lot of your body will feel more stuck. Okay, so yeah, make sure you do that. And of course pranayama करने के 15 से 20 मिनट तक कॉफी, बेवरेजेस, फूड थोड़ा सा अवॉइड करें. बॉडी एक बार नॉर्मलाइज हो जाएगी, उसके बाद आप प्रॉपर्ली जो खाना चाहते हो आप खा सकते हो. एंड प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन शुड नॉट डू कपाल भारती और प्राणायामा and agnisara kriya. Well, what are those? Not the part of today's session. Okay, so I guess I've shared a lot of information with you. We can directly move towards the Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Are we ready together? So if you can again make your videos on, I will be able to see you are doing it in a proper way, or else it's fine. You are your own boss. Okay. So let's do it together. So मैं initially आपको guide कर रही हूँ. आपको आता है तो बहुत अच्छा बात है. जिनको नहीं आता है वो एक बार देख ले, फिर वो साथ में कर ले. ठीक है? हम at least make sure करेंगे 5 cycles करने का. No. The answer is no. 5 cycles करने का. Okay? 5 cycle means 10 sets हो गया. Okay? 1 complete. Okay, let's do it. So let's start. Let's start with we will inhale through left nostril. Take a deep inhalation. Hold. You will hold your breath and then you will exhale. Again hold. And again जब जिस nostril से आपने last में सांस छोड़ा था उसी nostril से आपको inhale करना है. Hold and exhale. Hold. So this is pura one cycle. Like semicircle and then coming back is one cycle. Sorted? Let us start. We all can do it. किसी को कोई problem है? नहीं? Okay, let's start together. Please sit comfortably. Galaxy J4 Plus, please make sure your spine is straight. Okay? And then we'll do it together. Thank you so much. All right, let's do together. So I'm not doing because I want to see everybody is doing properly, and I'll do the counting for you. So please relax yourself. Keep your spine straight. Close your eyes. Keep your spine straight. Be aware of your life force. Energy field around you. Make sure your environment is clean and pure. Let us start. Let us start with the left nostril. Take a deep inhalation. Hold and exhale. Hold. Now again from your right nostril, inhale. Hold. And then from your left nostril, exhale. Hold. Take a deep inhalation through your left nostril. Just relax yourself. Hold. Now exhale from your right nostril. Let go any tension, any stress. Hold. Again, take a deep inhalation through your right nostril. Hold. And exhale through your left nostril. Just let go any negativity, any fear. Hold. Again, take a deep inhalation through left. Hold. And exhale. Don't force yourself. Hold. Take a deep inhalation through your right nostril. Hold. As you exhale, just let go any stress, any fear. And then again, hold. 2 more sets. Take a deep inhalation. Hold. As you exhale, just let go any fear, through your right nostril. Hold. Make sure your spine is straight. Take again a deep inhalation. Hold. Again, exhale. Very good. We'll do one more last set. Make sure you let go any negativity. Take a deep inhalation. Smile at yourself. Hold. And exhale from your right nostril. Hold. Again, take a deep inhalation. Hold. As you exhale, just let go any negative emotions you are holding on to. This is the best exercise for stress. Just keep your eyes closed. Normalize your breath. Feel yourself, feel your respiratory system. Feel the life force within you, around you. Whenever you are comfortable, just open your eyes with a smile on your face. Do you feel calmer? So did you feel calmer, right? You notice your emotions, जो भी कचरा पहले था वो शांत हो गया है. जो भी ऐसे ऐसे घूम रहा था वो सब शांत हो गया है. Right? So you know now कि प्राणायामा कितना इफेक्टिव है, स्पेशली नाड़ी शुद्धि प्राणायामा. ऑफ कोर्स बहुत टाइप के प्राणायामा है, लेकिन teach this now why I told you, ask me personally कि हम इसको शेयर कर सकते हैं कि नहीं. The reason this session is कि COVID-19 में इसको हम, so thank you so much for joining in the session.